I've got an IT tip with online meetings.
What?
Yes, again. Hi, I'm Christian from North Star IT. So this morning, I was on my latest weekly business networking meeting. We're raring to get back into the room. I, for one, are starting to get a bit zoomed out. But no matter what platform you're on, it seems everyone, or most people, are still struggling with the mute button. Yes, I know there are countless people out there that would be thrilled to have a mute button on me.
Yes!
You're not that lucky. One little tip, specifically on Zoom, if at any point in the meeting everyone is muted out or you voluntarily muted yourself,
Whoa!
when you need to speak, remember first, unmute yourself, not expect everyone to hear when all they've got is. Or a little tip specifically in Zoom is as long as you don't have the chat window open and that screen with all those smiling faces smiling back at you are in shot, what you can do is hold down the space bar and that will temporarily unmute you until you let go again. But there is also another useful setting. If you are logging into Zoom before you join that meeting, and it's certainly useful because you can customize your account with a nice pretty picture of yourself for your company logo, but you can also configure it to start the camera automatically or to join the meeting without being muted. That way, you don't do what I see so many people doing of late, joining the meeting and starting off with. So remember, no matter what the platform, there are settings to make your life easier and more effective. So until next time, zoom zoom.